increased agricultural production. With the promotion of improved seed varieties that are disease and pest resistant, we have seen increased resilience against climate shocks. Crops such as coffee, beans, maize, cassava, groundnuts, millet, and rice, among others, are now yielding higher, ensuring food security for our farmers and the country at large. Number two, irrigation and mechanization. Our investment in the irrigation schemes such as Doho, Mubuku, and Agoro has enabled farmers to produce food year-round, independent of seasonal rainfall. Additionally, mechanization hubs have made farming more efficient, empowering farmers across the country and the backbone of our economy. It's also important to note that agriculture contributes about a quarter of GDP for the country and provides employment to over 70% of the population. Through the leadership of His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni and through targeted government interventions, we have made significant strides, and I'll highlight a few of these in summary. The World Food Day, we would like to call various sections of the population to action. I call upon all Ugandans to unite in our mission to achieve food security for everyone. Farmers out there, I urge you to embrace modern sustainable agricultural practices. The private sector is also encouraged to come in, most especially in continuing to invest in value addition and agro-processing. Our development partners out there, the civil society and the general public, let us work together to promote nutrition-sensitive agriculture and food safety systems.